Okay.
Are you looking to create a realistic AI influencer like this? If yes, watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll guide you step by step on how you can create your own AI influencer from scratch. So, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the base face, because this is the most important part. To create a realistic AI influencer, I take 3 different actress images and combine them into one single image. You can also create a face using a single prompt, but I personally prefer using multiple images because it gives a more natural and human-like result. Once the combined image is ready, I move to the next step. Now, I upload this image into ChatGPT. Using this image, ChatGPT helps me generate multiple detailed prompts. These prompts include different outfits, different locations, lighting styles, and moods, so the influencer looks fresh and realistic in every image. After that, I copy those prompts one by one and paste them into LM Arena for image generation. LM Arena creates high-quality AI images based on those prompts. When the images are ready, I carefully review them and select only the best and most realistic ones. Now comes the video creation part. For turning images into video, I use Grok. You can also use other tools like Kling, but right now I'm using Grok because it's free and easy to use. I upload the selected images into Grok and generate the video. The best part is, you can regenerate the video multiple times until you're completely satisfied with the final result. Once the video is ready, your AI influencer is complete. You can now use this influencer for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, brand promotions, or content creation. And that's it. This is exactly how you can create a realistic AI influencer step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and follow for more AI content creation tips. Thanks for watching.